Alanke.com.
We have money department of SPF. This was operational department. Now what we are training. And the operational department is very important. It's the where the pupil is looking and internationally monitoring. This is what we like to adjust to not have any problem internationally and nationally.
Lessons that we have been taken these last 6 days. Community engagement, and I will hope all.
It was a basic framework of training. The time did not allow us to go into too much depth of each module. And we are really hoping that in next training we can actually go into more detail. But in general, I really am very grateful for the Somali police leadership, each of the officers who came, but also my big gratitude goes to the Amazon police trainers. They have done a tremendous job here. And I thank all of them, because without their help and the help of the Amazon Commissioner and everybody, we would not have been able to do this.
waxaan ka faa'iidnay yani waxaan la safeeyay maskaxda iyo waxaan loo falsafeeyay howlihii aan ku dhex jirnay ee waqtigii burburka kadib in aan dib u xusuusano shuruucdii dalka qaabka lagu shaqeyn lahaa shucuubta qaabkii amniga loo sugi lahaa qaabkii xaquuqul insaanka loo ilaalin lahaa qaabkii hogaaminta ciidanka loo hogaamin lahaa iyo in dadka shacbiga ah iyo booliiska la isku xiro way dhaxmarta saaxiibtinimo.
Alanke.com.